Hi everyone, good day, and I'm Eliza Azayunan, and we're going to tackle about five branches of physical science, which is we have a astronomy, physics, chemistry, earth science, and meteorology. Now let's begin.
Good day, sir. My name is Dr. Isping Yaman Salik, student of HUMS 21P. So now, my topic is what is meteorology? Meteorology is the study of atmosphere and it's related to the phenomena. First discussed by Aristotle year 340 BC in his book entitled Meteorologica, which summarizes all of the meteorological knowledge to date. 17th to 18th centuries, meteorology came into being with the advent of instrumentation such as thermometers and barometers. Necessity is the mother of invention. 19th century, observations were being made routinely transmit with the telegraph cinematic meteorology. 1920s, concept of air masses, fronts, and the mid-latitude cyclone was formulated in by Norwegian meteorologists. After World War II, meteorological radars were implemented. In 1950s, computer ran first models of the atmosphere. In 1960s, first meteorological satellites were launched. Who is the father of meteorology? Luke Howard, considered to be father of meteorology, is an Englishman named Luke Howard. In the early 18th, Luke Howard recorded detailed observation of weather in and around London. Example of meteorology. Meteorology is the study of Earth atmosphere and the variation is temperature and moisture patterns that produce different weather conditions. Some of the major subjects of study are such phenomena and participation, rain and snow, thunderstorm, tornadoes, and hurricanes and typhoons. The importance of meteorological events is felt in various ways. For example, a drought results in a water shortage, crop damage, low river flow rates, and increased wildfire potential. In addition, this effect may lead to restrict river travel, salt water infiltration in aqua and coastal bays, stress on various plant and animal species, population shift, economic hardship, and even political unrest. The critical impact of weather on human activity has led to the development of uncertain science of weather forecasting. The word meteorologist derives from the Greek word meteorion, which refers to any phenomenon in the sky. Aristotle Methodological 340 BC concerned all phenomena above the ground. Astronomy, including the study of meteors or shooting stars, later became a separate discipline. The science of meteorology was strict eventually to the study of the atmosphere. Various weather phenomena are still referred to as meteors, such as hydrometeors, liquid or frozen water, rain, snow, and snowflakes, clouds, and fog. Lithometeors, dry particles, sun, dust, or smoke. Photometeors, optical phenomena, halos, mirages, rainbows, coronas. And electrometeors, electrical phenomena, lighting, St. Elmo's fire. Modern meteorology focuses primarily on the typical weather patterns observed, including thunderstorm, extratropical cyclones, fronts, hurricanes, typhoons, and various tropical water waves. Meteorology is usually considered to describe and the study of physical basis for individual events. In contrast, climatology describes and studies the origin of atmosphere patterns observed over time. Several important phenomena such as monsoons and the El Niño, southern oscillation are considered in both meteorology and climatology because they exhibit large changes on season time scales.
Good morning and good afternoon, guys. And this is my name is Dr. Ryan K. Abdullah. And this is my news, astronomy. Do you know that scientists have explored about only 4% of the visible universe that's made up of planets, stars, and galaxies that astronomers can see? Astronomy is the study of the sun, moon, stars, planets, comets, gas, galaxies, gas, dust, and other non-earthly bodies and phenomena. In other terms, NASA defines astronomy as a simple the study of the stars, planets, and space. This is my news, and keep.
I am Datumama Kasimit Timbang. My topic is all about geology. Geology is the study of the earth, the materials of which it is made, the structure of those materials, and the process acting upon them. It includes the study of organisms that have inhabited our planet. An important part of geology is the study of how Earth's material structures and process and organisms have changed over time. Geologists study Earth history. Today, we are concerned about climate change. Many geologists are working to learn about the past climate change of Earth and how they have changed across time. This historical geology's news and information is valuable to understand how our current climate is changing and that the result might be. Geologists study Earth materials. People use Earth materials every day. They use oil that is produced from wells and metals that are produced from mines and water that has been drawn from stream or from underground. Geologists conduct studies that locate rocks that contain important metals, plan the mines that produce them, and the methods used to remove the metals from the rocks. They do similar work to locate and produce oil, natural gas, and groundwater.
So my topic today is physics, but before I start, I will introduce myself. I am Siti Rahma Init. Physics is the natural science that studies matter, its motion and behavior, though space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. Physics is one of the most fundamental scientific discipline, and its main goal is to understand how the universe behaves. So, Ang physics ay natural na agham na nag-aaral ng bagay, ang paggalaw at pag-uugali nito sa puwang at oras. At ang mga kaugnay ng entity ay enerhiya at lakas. Ang physical ay isa sa pinakamahalagang disiplina na pang-agham. At ang pangunahing layunin nito ay upang maunawaan kung paano kumilos ang mundo or universe. The branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics, distinguished from that of chemistry and biology, includes mechanics, heat, light, and other radiation, sounds, electricity, magnetism, and the structure of atoms, the physical properties and phenomena of something. So, the physics is the branch of science that concern to nature, kapagayan, or universe, and beyond. Ang physics ay malawak na pag-aralan natin dito ang mga katangian ng mga bagay at energy, pati mga laws nito, halimbawa lang ng pag-ikot ng mundo po.
Okay, so hi. Now I'm going to discuss about the earth science. Now, the earth sciences are the fields of study concerned with the solid earth, its waters, and the air that envelops it. They include the geologic, hydrologic, and atmospheric sciences with the broad aim of understanding Earth's knowledge, or the Earth's present, features, and past evolution, and using this knowledge to benefit humankind. Now, what is Earth science the study of? Earth sciences is the study of the Earth's structure, properties, processes, and 4.5 billion years of biotic evolution. Understanding this phenomena is essential to maintenance of life on the planet. Yes, the study of the Earth is structure properties. We're going to study about the properties, the processes, and the 4.5 billion years of biotic evolution. Now, what is the definition of earth science? Any of the sciences such as geology, meteorology, or oceanography that deal with the earth or with one or more of its parts compares geosciences. So why do we study earth sciences? We study earth sciences. Earth scientists make many beneficial contributions to society by understanding climate change and its dramatic consequences, monitoring geohazards, and predicting volcanic eruption and earthquakes, discovering and managing the world's resources, hydrocarbons, and precious minerals. Yes, we study because we understanding, or we have to know the climate change and its dramatic consequences, or monitoring the geohazards. Now, what are some examples of earth science? So, earth sciences are the fields of study concerned with the solid earth, its waters, and the air that envelops it. Atmospheric sciences with the broad aim of understanding Earth's present features and past evolution, and using this knowledge to benefit humankind. Now, so what are the three characteristics of Earth? Earth is approximately spherical in shape like all planets and stars. Earth is composed mostly of rock. 3/4 of its surface is covered by relatively thin layer of water. So some of water it's frozen. And the entire planet is surrounded by a relatively thin blanket of air. So the entire planet is surrounded by a relatively thin blanket of the air. So that is the characteristic of Earth. Now, What is our earth important? What is the importance of the earth? Yes, the earth is our planet or our home. Provides us with life and protects us from space. Earth. Earth is our home planet is a word unlike any other. The third planet from the sun, Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed the host life. Yes, that is the importance of our Earth. Earth is our planet and Earth is our home. Now, what does Earth consist of? Earth consists of land, air, water, and life. The land contains mountains, valleys, and the flat areas. The air is made up of different gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen. The water includes oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, rain, snow, and ice. So, is biology part of earth science? Yes, because life science includes biology, ecology, or environmental science. Physical science includes chemistry and physics. Earth science, which is the topic of this course, includes many branches, some of which we will cover in the lesson. So, what should we do to save our Earth? First, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Right. Then number 2, volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. The cleaning. Number 3 is educate. We have to educate or we have to know what is the things to protect the art. 3 things to protect to our planet or the earth. Number 4, conserve water. Choose sustainable. And the number 6 is shop wisely. Then use long-lasting light bulbs and plant a tree. So, and thank you for watching this video. So, thank you for listening to our topic and good day everyone. Thank you.